Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Wanur Anshafrina binti Waraslam from F3T01A.
Hi, my name is Luqmanul Hakim bin Afizah from F3T01A.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Alif Iman bin Sanusi from F3T01E.
Hi, my name is Novatina Shwari Iswa from F3T01A.
So today we are going to discuss about the application of trigonometric function in our real life. So let's begin our discussions. First and foremost, trigonometric function is a study of the relationship of angle, length, and height. And trigonometric function also have an enormous number of users in our daily life and help us to solve many real life problems. So what's your opinion about this, guys? And do you think that trigonometric function are really help you to solve the real life problems?
Yes, I agree with your opinion. Trigonometry is essential and used in several branches of field. One of its applications is navigation. Trigonometry has been used for thousands of years ago in navigation. It is used to set directions and calculate distance between points. By forming the triangle to the point from no points, we can determine the exact location of the point. To find length, which is the distance from point A to B, we can use the formula L equals D cos alpha over sine alpha plus cos beta over sine beta, where L represents the length between point A and point B, and D represents the distance from unknown point from the observer. To simplify this, we can use trigonometric identities like tan x equals to sine x over cos x, and sine A plus B equals sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. Thus, the equation became D equals L sine alpha sine beta over sine A plus B, which is much more simpler. Is there other importance of trigonometry in your life?
Yes, Lokman, there is other importance in trigonometry in our life. As example, you guys usually see an aeroplane in the sky, right? The aeroplane in the sky use trigonometry too. As example, aviation technology has evolved with many upgradation in the last few years. It has taken into account the speed, direction, and distance, as well as the speed and direction of the wind. The wind plays a vital role in when and how a flight will travel. This equation can be solved by using trigonometry. So, for example, if an aeroplane is traveling at 250 miles per hour and it is heading to 55 degrees of the north of the east, and the wind blowing due to the south at 90 miles per hour. This calculation will be solved using the trigonometry, and we will find the third side of the triangle that will lead the aircraft in the right direction it wants to go. So, what else? The trigonometry application, guys.
I would definitely agree with you, Alif. And so moving for this discussion is trigonometric function also help me in solving questions in physics. Actually, trigonometry is one of the chapter in mathematics, but we can also apply trigonometry in physics too to solve the questions. For instance, in physics, trigonometry is used to find the components of vector, model of mechanical wave oscillation, sum of the strength of field, and also to determine dot and close products. So even from the projectile motion, we can notice a lot of application of trigonometry. So by learning this trigonometric function, we can actually excel in both mathematics and physics. And so, Fatin, do you have any opinion about this trigonometric function?
Yes, My other opinion is they also have another example of trigonometry that can apply in our daily life, which is music. For your information, some favor in wave and this pattern to not as regular as sine or cosine function. They're actually useful in developing computer music. Furthermore, a computer cannot obviously listen to and comprehend music as we do. So, computer represent it mathematically by its constituent sound wave. So, trigonometry also help us to make a good music to calm us from our hectic or stress. Do you guys have another example?
I have another example of trigonometry. In astronomy, astronomers use trigonometry to calculate the distance of planets, stars, and galaxies from Earth. This is important for scientists to launch rockets to space and also to forecast astronomical events. For example, they will use a stellar parallax method to calculate a star's apparent movement against the background of more distant stars as the Earth moves around the Sun. By using trigonometric ratios like SOHCAHTOA and small angle approximation, astronomers can calculate and estimate distance of stars without using physical laws and advanced technologies. Any others want to share?
Yes, Lukman. Uh, do you guys know that our civilization has advanced because of trigonometry too? Trigonometry is used in construction to build the buildings. In construction, they will use trigonometry to calculate the measuring fields, lots, and areas, making walls parallel and perpendicular. That is also used while installing ceramic tiles. Roof inclination, the height of the building, the width of length, and many other such things where it becomes necessary to use trigonometry. Architects use trigonometry to calculate structural loads, roof slopes, ground surfaces, and many other aspects, including sun shading and light angles. So I'm actually very impressed by how our civilization has advanced so much that the world right now becomes very advanced in technology and many other things. So, what do you guys think about trigonometry in other aspects?
And I I agree with Alif that uh, trigonometry can gain benefits. This is because trigonometry function helps in many fields and help them to solve their problem in lot of areas. For example, in criminology, a trigonometric function helps them to calculate the projectile's trajectory to estimate what might have caused the collision on how did an object fall from somewhere or in which angle the bullet was shot. So with the trigonometry knowledge, they will be easily solve the criminal cases. So yes, trigonometric function match a lot of field to solve their problem. And do you guys have any ideas about this trigonometric function?
Yes, I have. Did you guys know that trigonometry also can use in marine engineering? In marine engineering, trigonometry is used to build and navigate marine vessels. To be more specific, trigonometry is used to design the marine ramp, which is sloping surface to connect lower and higher level areas. It can be a slope or even a staircase depending on its application.
And okay, guys, and we are done about discussing about the trigonometric function in our life. And thanks for joining this discussion.
Yeah, thank you guys. It's very expand my knowledge about trigonometry too.
Yes.
Thank you also.
Thank
Alright,
you.
guys. So thank you for this session. So see you guys next time. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.